Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your laptop. Install the Soft Ether VPN client and the VPN Gate plugin now. Give the installer administrative permission so drivers and TAP adapters install cleanly. While it runs, make sure your OS updates are applied and close other VPN apps. Conflicts will block connections. Note your public IP before connecting. That helps verify the tunnel. Once the client is installed, open the VPN Client Manager and proceed to add a new VPN Gate public VPN relay entry to begin. Next, you choose a relay from the VPN Gate public list. Sort by latency and preferred protocol. Open VPN for widespread support, SSL VPN for NAT traversal. Click a relay, then connect. Allow the TAP adapter to initialize. Once connected, verify the new public IP in a browser and check traffic routing by accessing a geo-restricted site or an IP check tool. If the first relay is slow, disconnect and try another. Make sure to save a working profile and enable auto reconnect for stability. To finish, set the client to start with Windows or Mac OS login and enable auto reconnect. This keeps the tunnel persistent. Make sure DNS is routed through the VPN. Adjust the client DNS settings or use a secure DNS provider to prevent leaks. If you cannot connect, reinstall the TAP driver, inspect firewall and antivirus rules, and try a different protocol. Some ISPs block common ports. If problems persist, capture the client logs and restart the laptop. That often resolves driver initialization issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.